Picture this. Right now, at this very second, someone is typing your service into Google. They have their credit card ready. They're ready to buy, but they're about to call your competitor instead. And this hasn't happened once. It's happening hundreds, maybe thousands of times every single month.
Hey there, I'm from Solvoguru, and today we're talking about the most expensive mistake businesses make with Google Ads, or worse, not using them at all. See, most business owners I talk to fall into one of three categories. Number one, they're not using Google Ads because they think it's too expensive or too complicated. Number two, they tried it once, burned through their budget in a week with nothing to show for it, and swore they'd never do it again. Or number three, they're currently running ads right now, but they have no idea if they're actually working or just bleeding money. If you're in any of these camps, stay with me, because what I'm about to share could literally transform your business. Let's start with some mind-blowing facts that'll put this in perspective. Every single day, Google processes over 8.5 billion searches. That's billion with a B. And here's the kicker. About 65% of those searches are from people with high commercial intent. Translation: they're ready to buy something, hire someone, or book a service. Now think about traditional advertising for a second. With billboards, TV commercials, or even social media ads, you're essentially interrupting people who may or may not care about what you're selling. You're hoping, praying, that the right person sees your message at the right time. It's expensive guesswork. But with Google Ads, people are actively looking for you. They're raising their hand saying, "I need this right now." You're not interrupting their day. You're answering their question. This is the difference between hunting and fishing. One requires you to chase opportunities. The other, they come to you. Okay, so if Google Ads are so powerful, why do so many businesses fail at it? Why do I hear stories like this all the time? We spent $5,000 in 2 weeks and got maybe 3 leads that went nowhere. Our ads got tons of clicks, but nobody bought anything. We tried to do it ourselves and just got overwhelmed and gave up. Here's the brutal truth. Google Ads is incredibly powerful, but it's also incredibly easy to mess up. And when you mess up, it gets expensive fast. Most failed campaigns have the same problems. Mistake number one, wrong keywords. They're targeting broad, expensive keywords that attract tire kickers instead of buyers. For example, bidding on shoes when they should be targeting buy men's running shoes size 10 online. Mistake number two, terrible ad copy. Their ads are boring, generic, and give people zero reason to click on them instead of the 5 other ads right next to it. Mistake number three, no conversion tracking. They literally have no idea which ads are making them money and which ones are burning it. They're flying blind. Mistake number four, landing pages that kill conversions. They're sending people to their homepage or a page that loads slowly, looks sketchy, or doesn't match what the ad promised. The click costs them money, but the visitor bounces in 3 seconds. Mistake number five, set it and forget it. They launch the campaign, maybe check on it once a month, and wonder why performance keeps dropping. Google Ads requires constant optimization. And this is where most business owners either give up completely or keep hemorrhaging money month after month, hoping it'll magically get better. But it doesn't have to be this way. This is exactly why Solvoguru exists. We've managed Google Ads campaigns for businesses in dozens of industries, from local service providers to e-commerce brands doing 6 and 7 figures. And our approach is different because we treat your ad budget like it's our own money. Every dollar needs to work. Every click needs to count. Here's how we do it. Step 1. Deep dive strategy session. We don't just jump in and start running ads. We take time to understand your business, your customers, your competitors, and your goals. What does success actually look like for you? Is it more phone calls, online sales, booked appointments? Step 2. Laser-focused keyword research. We find the exact search terms your ideal customers are using, not the expensive vanity keywords that waste money. We're looking for high-intent, high-conversion terms that bring you qualified leads. Step 3. Compelling ad creation. Your ads need to stand out. We craft multiple variations of ad copy that speak directly to your customers' pain points and desires. We test different headlines, descriptions, and calls to action to see what resonates best. Step 4. Landing page optimization. The ad is only half the battle. We make sure the page people land on is fast, clear, and designed for one thing: converting visitors into customers. If your landing page needs work, we'll tell you exactly what to fix. Step 5. Smart budget allocation. We start with controlled testing, identify what's working, then scale up the winners while cutting the losers. Your budget flows to campaigns that actually deliver results. Step 6. Continuous optimization. This is where most agencies fail. We don't just check in once a month. Our team actively monitors performance, tests new strategies, adjusts bids, refines targeting, and keeps your campaigns getting better over time. Step 7. Transparent reporting. You get clear, easy to understand reports showing exactly what's happening. How many clicks? How many conversions? What's your cost per lead? What's your ROI? No jargon, no hiding, just facts. Now let's talk about investment. Because yes, this is an investment in your business growth. We have 3 main options. The Sprint plan at $20 per hour. This is perfect if you need quick wins, have a specific project, or want to test the waters before committing long-term. It's flexible, it's accessible, and you only pay for what you use. Great for startups and small businesses getting started. The Momentum plan at $1,000 per month. This is our most popular option for businesses ready to grow consistently. You get 40 dedicated hours weekly, priority support, and a 3-month minimum partnership, so we can really dial in your campaigns and scale them properly. The Enterprise plan starts at $10 per month. Yes, that's a typo on the website. It should be significantly higher, but we do custom enterprise solutions. This is for businesses managing complex campaigns, multiple locations, or needing a dedicated account team with white glove service. And here's the thing, every package comes with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. We're confident in what we do because we've done it hundreds of times before. So here's what I want you to do right now. Ask yourself this question: can you afford to let another month go by losing customers to your competitors? Every day you wait is another day potential customers are finding someone else. Every search you're not showing up for is money left on the table. Head over to solvoguru.com. That's solvoguru.com. Click on Google Ads Services and book your free consultation. We'll look at your business, your market, your competition, and give you a clear roadmap for how Google Ads can work for you. No pressure, no sales pitch, just honest advice from people who do this every single day. Whether you're brand new to Google Ads or you've been burned before, we'll show you exactly how to turn those searches into sales. The link is in the description below. Go check it out right now. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more marketing strategies that actually work. I'm from Solvoguru, and I'll see you in the next one. Book your free consultation today. 100% satisfaction guarantee.